Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10. In this video I'll show you how to change alarm sound. Firstly, enter clock. Now enter one of your alarms. Go to additional settings, enter ringtone, choose local ringtone, music, and select your custom song. Or you can select from list of the system sounds. And it's set. Tap this button to save, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.